In this video, we're going to talk about what does pending mean on Snapchat. Firstly, when you open up that Snapchat section and when you get into that site, for example, if you go on the search box and type for friend site, but in which it is not your friend anymore, I'm gonna go with a random person, for example, this one. Just go on his profile and yeah, go to the site to check over and send a message site. Yeah, I will go with this one. And now go on the three dots right here, and then you can try to add profile site section, or you can simply tap again on it to take over and try to send a message to him or her, and then simply it will tell you that you need to take over a friend site to get off that section, or if you don't wait on that site, you're gonna have sites in which you're gonna get pending session. This is what pending mean when you got into a chat selection with someone who is not your friend.